What's up guys, Ackeem Sturdy here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this chair right here, outdoor camping chair, which I'm going to unbox in this video. Let you guys see what's inside. Right, so guys, this is it. Basically come in this packaging right here. Pull it out. Now this color is a red color. The carrying bag that can use to carry it around. Boom. There you have it. This is the chair right here, looking very neat. There's no need to set up, just fold it out and you're ready to go. As you can see, it feels really comfortable. And on the chair right here you have a little holder where you can put like your drinks in or anything like that. Great for relaxing outdoor like this, especially if you're on the beach, on the river, or anywhere of your choice. Really relaxing. And to basically when you finish, just fold it up, carry it around easily.